I was skeptical at first, but after trying Heaven's Code, my life shifted in ways I never expected. In just 30 days, I went from struggling to seeing $5,000 appear out of nowhere. No joke. Today, I'll reveal if this biblical manifestation program is worth it or just hype. Stick around. So what exactly is Heaven's Code? It's a digital program based on ancient biblical principles that help you manifest wealth, peace, and miracles, just by applying hidden spiritual codes. The creator claims these codes helped people attract unexpected money, heal relationships, and even land dream opportunities. But does it work? Here's my experience. I've tried LOA programs before, but this one felt different. I followed the 7-minute prayer ritual every morning, and weirdly, within 2 weeks, I got a random bonus at work. Then an old debt was forgiven out of the blue. Was it luck? Maybe, but too many coincidences kept happening after I started. The key? It's not about magic, it's about aligning your faith and energy the right way. Now, no program is perfect, so here's the truth. Pros: easy to follow, no fluff, works for any religion, 60-day refund. Cons: requires consistent faith, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Final verdict: if you're open to spiritual principles, this actually works. But if you expect money to rain overnight, this isn't for you. For me, 100% worth it. Want to try it yourself? I'll leave the official link below. They even have a 60-day guarantee, so no risk. Just click the button and let me know in the comments if you see results. And hey, if this video helped, smash that like button so others find it too.